Welcome back to Software Hub. In today's video, I'll show you how to completely transform your Windows desktop and make it look aesthetic and professional. So before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more amazing tech tutorials. Let's begin. First of all, open the Microsoft Store and search for Lively Wallpaper. Now download this application. After that, install the app completely. Once the installation is finished, also open Translucent TB. It will automatically make your Windows taskbar transparent, giving your desktop a much cleaner and modern look. Now, I have provided the links in the description. From there, open the wallpaper website. Here you can see unlimited live wallpapers available in full HD quality. Since I am making a Dragon Ball theme, I will search for Dragon Ball here. Choose the wallpaper that you like the most. I personally like this wallpaper, so I will select it. You can preview the wallpaper before downloading. After that, click on Download Wallpaper and it will start downloading the wallpaper in high definition quality. Once the download is complete, open the Lively Wallpaper app that we installed earlier. From here, click the plus icon, then click Choose a file and select the wallpaper that we downloaded. The wallpaper will automatically apply to your desktop. For even better aesthetics, you can also disable desktop icons to make your desktop look cleaner and more premium. Inside Lively Wallpaper settings, you can make some useful changes. For example, if you disable this option, the Lively Wallpaper icon will not appear in the system tray, which makes everything look cleaner. After that, click on the second link in the description, which is WinStep Nexus. From here, click the free download option. Once the download is complete, open the folder where you saved it. Now extract the file. I am using WinRAR for extracting the file. Once extracted, run the setup file and install the software. If this error appears during installation, simply click No to continue. Now you will notice that a new dock/taskbar appears on your screen. Open the Nexus preferences. From here you can fully customize the new dock/taskbar. In the Content tab, you can set up running application settings and system tray settings. You can also simply copy my settings if you want the same setup. Now in the module tab, you can add modules like working clock, CPU meter, RAM meter, and many others. You can also change the module icons by downloading custom icons from the internet and applying them. In the position tab, you can set the position of the dock, whether you want it on the right, left, top or bottom of your screen. Personally, I recommend placing it on the right side because it looks more modern and stylish. Now in the appearance tab, you can customize dock icon size, dock transparency, icon spacing, color settings, icon colors and blur settings. I personally did not make many changes here, so let's move to the effect tab. From here, you can customize animation effects like mouse over effect, launch effect, attention effect and delete effect. As you can see, when I move my mouse over the dock, the icons become much bigger. You can also edit the effect settings according to your preference. Simply copy my mouse over effect settings for the same result. Now you can see it looks much better. Also notice that when I click any icon, it bounces. That is called the launch effect. You can customize this effect too. Now in the themes tab, you can change the dock theme completely. Simply test each theme one by one and select the one you like the most. I personally like this one, so I click apply. Now go to the sounds tab. Check these two options and then click apply. After that, click OK to close the panel. You can now right click on any useless app and remove it from the dock. After that, right click on the normal Windows taskbar and open taskbar settings. In taskbar behaviors, enable automatically hide taskbar so only your custom dock remains visible. Now after that, open any web browser and search for Rainmeter. Open the first website and download the latest release. Once it finishes downloading, install the Rainmeter app. After that, open the first Rainmeter theme link from the description. Scroll down and click the download button. Once completed, open the second theme link and download that theme as well. When both themes are downloaded, open the folder where you saved them. Extract the Robic theme file first. Now double-click the Rainmeter skin installer file and click install. You will see some widgets appear. Simply unload the widgets like I did, but do not unload this one. Right click on it and select Manage Skin. Now double click on the settings file. From here, click on Color 2 and set the color according to your desktop theme. After that, close settings and place the widget anywhere you want. Now install the second theme we downloaded. Again, unload the widgets I am unloading and then adjust the main widget placement. Then click the color 2 option in settings and match the color according to your theme again. You can also copy the color code from the first theme and paste it here for consistency. After that, click color 1 and select black color. Then click the home button. A website will automatically open. Search for your city. Then copy the city code shown and paste it into the theme settings. This allows the weather widget to display your local weather correctly. You can also adjust other settings if needed. Then right click on any widget and click refresh. Now we need to enable the visualizer so when we play music, it looks more aesthetic and beautiful. To do that, right click on the rain meter icon and click manage. Expand the Robic theme, then double click on visualizer. You can see the visualizer is now enabled. Right click it and select edit skin. From here, you can adjust the size of the visualizer. Then save the file. If you don't like the color, you can change it from the theme settings to match your desktop setup. You can also add any application to the dock. Simply run the app. Then right click it and click pin to dock. Now right click on the rain meter widget, go to settings and uncheck the draggable option. Do this for all widgets so they won't move accidentally. If you open rain meter again and expand the AGO theme, you can enable Facebook, internet and music widgets. Adjust their placement however you like. Now when you click the Facebook icon, it will automatically open Facebook in your default browser. The same happens with the internet and music widgets. They will open your default browser and music player automatically. If this video helps you, consider subscribing and click the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.